Hi, my name is Sarah Suter. I am from Manchester, Connecticut. I teach elementary physical education, and taking this class because I am trying to get another master's in becoming a library media specialist. So I have my bachelor's in physical education from Eastern Connecticut State University in Connecticut. I have a master's in recreation administration from Southern Connecticut State University. I'm in my 21st year teaching elementary physical education in a kindergarten through 4th grade school in Connecticut. I started my first year split between the two middle schools, and then the elementary position opened. Things that I like to do, my hobbies, I like sports. I played soccer and basketball in college. I love to read, and I love traveling. So my family history, on my dad's side, our last name is Suter, which is Scottish. And on my mom's side, the last name is Sumption, which stems from Britain. We have family ties from Scotland, Germany, and England. I don't know a ton of the history of my family, unfortunately. But we basically came from Europe. My parents have been married for 50 years. And other family dynamics, I am the youngest of 3. I have an older brother and an older sister. A cultural tradition that we have done throughout the years, which unfortunately may not survive, is that on my mother's side, one of the desserts for Christmas was always a mincemeat pie, which mincemeat pie was done because there was no way to keep the meat safe, so they would put it in a pie. My sister and my brother think it's kind of disgusting, so I don't think that tradition is going to live on, but that's something that we've always done. So, for my pictures, I'm a daughter. These are my parents, my dad and my mom. My dad is a teacher, and he's also a coach, and my mom's retired right now. I'm also a sister. The one in the middle is me, the one on the left is my sister and my brother. We were dressed up for decorating Christmas cookies, but I've learned a lot of things from both of them. I'm also an aunt. I have a niece and 2 nephews from my family, and my wife's family has a whole bunch of, she's one of 5 kids, so there's tons of nieces and nephews. This is my wife running the Boston Marathon. We've been married coming up on 3 years in a couple days, but we've been together for a lot longer than that. I am also a dog lover. This is my dog, Miles. He just turned 17 a couple days ago. He's a mini dachshund and the love of my life. I am also a teacher. This is my gym where I teach. I teach elementary phys ed at Bowers Elementary School in Manchester, Connecticut. I also love to travel. I've been to Alaska. I took students there for a trip, and I've also been to Europe where I took students on a trip. My favorite place I've ever been is Hawaii, but I was only there for a couple days, so I haven't got to totally explore everything that it has to offer. I also am a former athlete. I played soccer, I was a goalie, and I played basketball as a guard in college. I still try to stay very active. I've recently just started playing pickleball, which, if you don't know what it is, it's sort of like tennis for old people. And yeah, those are the pieces that make me up. Looking forward to learning a lot from all of you during this class.